In this video, I want to talk about how you can use TradingView. Now, I'll just quickly do a short tutorial on the most important things, and that is going to the super chart. Now, inside of the super chart, this is where all the trading will happen. So if you want to connect your broker, you want to grab this gray line here and drag it up, go to your trading panel, and then select your broker. Click on it and just click connect, and you will then connect your account. If you want to do a demo account, just go paper trading, and now I have a paper trading account. Then what you need to do from here is, if you want to have indicators, click on indicator and type in the one you want, and you will then have it. Now I already have too many indicators since I haven't upgraded my account, but this will be my indicators. Let me just remove these. So if we do this, I can now add an indicator, and you will see it's right here. Then you can hide it again if you want to. And to make a trade, what you want to do is either press sell or buy to open up the trading. So now I have buy order. You can select up here the symbol. So if I want to do Tesla, type in Tesla, and you can see I have my buy order. I can make a market order, which means I'm gonna buy it at the exact price. A limit order, which means I'm gonna buy it at the price I put here. So let's say I want to buy it at this. Take profit and stop loss. And if I want to, I can come here and I can move my stop loss and my take profit if I want to. Or you can just manually type it here and then simply press buy. Now that's how you can make the buy or sell order. If you want, there are some tools out here like Fibonacci retracement and all this stuff, but this will just be a short video, so you need to Google these if you want more in depth. Now another thing you can do here is you can open up the screener if there are some specific ones that you want to search for. So you can filter everything here, and that is basically how it works. So let me just quickly try and make a trade, guys. So I go buy here. I'm gonna make a limit order, and I'm gonna buy it at 352. Take profit and stop loss. I'm gonna put my stop loss at let's just put it at 280. 280. And you can see now the stop loss is here, take profit is here, and then you just press buy. Now you can see that it's gonna be put on, and as soon as the price hits here, it's gonna be bought, and that is how it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.